Your choice is
Either you go for it, or they are coming at you. So if you don't go past those snakes, in a few more minutes, they're gonna go get you. And you better pray.
na hindi ka nila lingkisin o... So...
Go get to the other side! Run! We're gonna run, run, run! Go for it! Come on, move!
Ma'am, paano pag natuklaw siya ng ahas? Wala man lang tayo naka-standby na ambulance or kahit first aid kit man lang or antidote.
Well, kung matuklaw siya ng ahas, edi sorry.
Seryoso, ma'am, hayaan na lang ba natin siyang mamatay?
Well, I got kicked out of Apex because of her.
Eh di sa ganung paraan nyo na lang din po siya gantihan.
Eh, ano bang ginagawa natin kanina pa? Di ba? An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. A pahiya for a pahiya.
Ma'am, kayo napahiya lang. Siya pwede siyang mamatay.
Di ba nakarating sa'yo na yung kapatid niyang si Moira, pinatay ang tatay namin ni Ubeng? Moira killed our father. Namatay siya nang hindi kami nakakapaghiganti kay Moira. Well, siguro ngayon, Morgana, at least makakaganti ako. Her family will suffer the same way I suffered. But don't worry, it's not up to me. It's up to the snakes.